Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and explore the latest tech gadgets. Today, we've got something special in the lineup, the TP-Link AC1200 PCIe Wi-Fi card for PC. Let's dive right in. Behold the TP-Link AC1200 PCIe Wi-Fi card, designed to supercharge your desktop's connectivity and bring blazing fast speeds right to your fingertips. First things first, let's talk specs. This PCIe Wi-Fi card boasts AC1200 Wi-Fi speeds, which means you get a whopping 867 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 300 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. That's perfect for smooth gaming, streaming, and downloading large files. But that's not all. The TP-Link Wi-Fi card also features Bluetooth 4.2 technology. It's not just any Bluetooth, it's 2.5 times faster and can handle 10 times more packets than Bluetooth 4.0. So, say goodbye to laggy connections. Are you tired of weak Wi-Fi signals? Well, this Wi-Fi card has your back with two external high-gain antennas. They ensure a broader wireless range and enhanced stability. No more dead zones in your home. Worried about installation? Don't be. It's a breeze. Simply plug the adapter into an available PCIe slot, and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with both standard and low-profile brackets, so it'll fit in your desktop setup, no matter the configuration. Windows users, rejoice! This Wi-Fi card is compatible with a range of Windows versions, including Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, and 7, both 32-bit and 64-bit systems. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your PC setup. Quick note, to make use of the Bluetooth function, you'll need to connect the Bluetooth USB cable to an F/USB connector. It's a small step for big convenience. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who relies on a speedy internet connection for work, this Wi-Fi card has got you covered. It's a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop's capabilities. To sum it up, the TP-Link AC1200 PCIe Wi-Fi card for PC is all about speed, stability, and versatility. It's a fantastic addition to your desktop setup, giving you the connectivity you need for all your online activities. If you found this review helpful and you're ready to supercharge your desktop's Wi-Fi, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got more tech gems coming your way on Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay connected and stay tech savvy.